Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and do I have a great good news story for you today. Client ID 7060. Now the pressure was on with this particular scenario. This client had bought a property and was in a 10-day cooling off period. He was quoted a loan cost of about 2% higher than a prime lending interest rate and a 2% application fee because his credit report had a $22,000 credit card default listed. When I spoke to him originally, so I onboarded this client, I do help out with the scenarios. There's 3 of us that do the scenarios. I jump in if it's a bit more of a complex one. And this was because with this default, if we couldn't get him written acceptance of the default removal within 5 to 10 business days, he stood to lose that deposit because he had to put the deposit knowing from us, trusting us that we were going to get the default removed for him so he could proceed. Again, he was looking at huge costs involved in a non-prime home loan. It was going to cost him tens of thousands of dollars if we couldn't get the default removed. And the time frame was very fine because he'd already bought, he was in the cooling off period. So we needed to get that removal confirmation out to him within 5 to 10 business days. Now, he trusted my level of experience, and it has been 13 years I've been doing credit repair. I've been in the financial sector since early 2000s, and I know what I can and I can't do. So in this case, I said to him, I said, yes, I said, I will be able to get you written confirmation that they agree to remove the default within 5 to 10 business days. I'll then supply you a letter. Your broker can use that for your lender so that you can move forward to settlement with a condition. Default needs to be removed entirely for settlement to occur. Now, I did that. And this client called me every day, and that was fine because at the end of the day, if you promise you're going to do something for someone, you need to do it. And that's what it's all about at Credit Fix Solutions. If we can't help, we will tell you. We are not going to waste your time, our time, running around the world for 6 weeks trying to remove something that is not removable. In this case, I put my money where my mouth is and I took on the case, and I did. I got him removal confirmation acceptance in writing within 10 business days, got him the letter out. He was able to push forward with his finances, and he was able to go and purchase that property. He saved 2% in interest rate, and he saved himself a 2% application fee. So I am very grateful for that particular client in trusting us. If you do have complex scenarios, if you have scenarios where you think, okay, I need a little bit more guidance on this, please feel free to reach out. Everyone should have my email, victoria@creditfixsolutions.com.au. I'm happy to help with education. I'm happy to help with training materials, educational materials as well if you need. So you can really understand how to not just fix something now, but how do you protect and improve your credit report and score moving forward? What are the key tools that you need to be able to achieve that so that you can get the best lending options for you and your family as well? Anyway, that's it for that particular success story. We removed the default, onwards and upwards. He could move on, take a deep breath, and get that property purchase settled. Thanks for listening.